Hello friends and welcome back to the Recognition channel. So friends, today I will talk about AAEON 4th generation of mini PC. So friend, AAEON has announced of Squad 71008, its 4th generation of mini PC based on compact of Squad 85.6 mm into 90 mm. Developer brand the Up Square 71008 comes with either the Intel processor N97 and Intel processor N100 as its default CPU and a sustainable upgrade on the Elder Lake platform offered by the PC range previous generation. Further upgrade can be seen in its 16 GB of soldered LDDR5 system memory, which delivers up to 50% higher data rates with greater power efficiency and equipped with solid I/O, primarily graded towards industrial automation and communication tasks such as dual gigabit LAN, 3 USB Type-A port, and the upsquared 71008 seen AON at a second DB9 port. And this upgrade current system integrated with two COM ports, both supporting RS-232, 422, and 485 signal, and the upsquared 71008 design makes it very sustainable option for upgrading existing industrial automation setup and that required communication with legacy equipment. And however, the CPU native functions such as a enhanced Intel speed step technology and AVX2 instruction sets and the upsquared 71008 can execute more demanding edge computing workload while remaining power efficient, making it an equally good choice for new and more advanced projects. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.